Now, let's say you also want to create multiple bar charts, right? So we want to divide the bar charts based on the groups. Okay, so you come in here, you say bar charts. Okay, so come and say we want the yield as well as the variance. Okay, now we want to split, let's say for example by site. So let's pass in our data set, which is Bali. Okay, so if you run this and you come in here, what you are noticing is that it is quite, let's try to zoom this. Okay, try to zoom this and let's run again. Okay, so it's quite not clear as to the names here. Okay, so what we need to do here in this case, we need to scale. Okay, we need to scale these labels, right, so that it looks a little bit clear. Okay, so we're gonna come in here and say, I'm going to try and, okay, so if we come in here and say scales, and I'm gonna pass in a list, okay, just to specify that I want to rotate these labels in the x-axis. Okay, so let's say we're gonna say 45, and now these labels are clear. Okay, because previously these labels were just close to each other, so it was not clear to see the labels for all of these varieties.